Welcome back, everyone. Tom here from Park Avenue Trading, your chief dealer, keeping you sane in these insane markets. Starting off with good old sterling yen, as the title says. Right now, we had a low so far today, 193, the figure. The resistance point for sterling yen right now is 193.91. If we could clear this area, we got a potential to drift back up to 194.60. Now we got saber rattling going on in Europe. That's not a good thing. It's not a good thing. So really, I think until the marketplace actually clears what's happening over in Europe, we got to look at this good old support line that's extending out just off of 2 points. It's not really that strong of a support line. If I come back up, if I use this area right here without cutting through price, I always try not to cut through price. Sometimes, it's just impossible. The break actually happened right at the next level upward resistance. However, it needs to clear 193.91 to show any type of potential strength. If it can't do this, and you got to watch dollar yen. Dollar yen is the key to this whole thing. If dollar yen starts to fall again hard and cable gets pinned, then we're going to see the drift lower, potentially down towards the 192.60 level. So the important points to watch right now, the 193.90. If we can get above and clear it, we got a chance to run to 194.60. If we can't, if it breaks down, I mean, right now, I got no other point. That's the only point I got is the 193.91. So if you're a bear, you sell it with a stop above 193.91 right now. If you want to, wait to try to see if we can get back up there with no guarantees, well, you would sell up in that area with a tight stop. All right, let's move on over to good old sterling dollar. Sterling dollar. This one's showing some really good strength, and this is the weekly. Let's get over to the 4-hour chart here. All right, as it stands right now, good old sterling dollar. You notice this congestion zone right here. That's resistance for sterling dollar. Let me get some better points. Those are two. I think not too far away. We're very, very close to it, but let's get a better point right here. Sterling dollar, 134. What did we get down to? What is this? This is Friday. Where are we? So we had a low come in at 134.72. Okay, so let me do this. Let me get a better handle on this. Double top right here. Slightly. Okay, really. Here's the resistance line. 135.80. Actually, I'm going to put the resistance. I'm going to keep the resistance 135, say 90, 95-ish. Let's move it up. 130. All right, we'll go to 136, the figure, for some skid. 135.99 is fine. So right now, as it stands, the resistance is at 135.90, 136, the figure. Okay, so as it stands right now, it's got to hold 135, the figure now. 130, I'm going to go like this. 135, I'll even go 134, 134.96. It's got to hold this. 134.95. Good. It's got to hold 134.95. If you can't do that, it's drifting back down towards this low bar's close, which is 134.70. Not much of a big drop, but hey, if you're short-term trader. So this area right here of congestion actually signaled a downward movement. If this area holds as far as resistance is concerned, or if the currency could actually, let's say we're focusing on this, but if it comes up into this area, okay, it comes back up and then drops below, that's a bearish signal for sterling dollar itself. So that's what we got going on. today at 10:40 in the morning on June 2nd, 2025. Let's just hope that everything calms down in the Ukraine. Let's get on over to good old dollar yen. Dollar yen is the driver. I've been saying it for the longest time. It's coming down to a daily critical price of 142.50. It touched it, didn't quite break it. So as it stands right now, it's got to get above 143, like 15. 143.15 right now. Right now it's consolidating between these 2 points. Your level of resistance is here. If it can't get through and it breaks down through this level, we're going to 142, the figure, potentially even 141.95, 141.85, something like that. All eyes on what's going on. If there's a calming in Ukraine, it'll be back onto, risk off, and dollar yen could rally a little bit. However, we still have the potential for a Bank of Japan rate increase. So there's a lot of stuff working on, but technically right now, the point 143.15 is the resistance. The 142, say 50 is the support. And that's what we got going on. Let's go on over to good old Euro Yen. This one, I'll tell you what I did with this one. I went short last evening at 163.39, really close to like a good sale point was, for myself, right over here. Where was it? It made this little bar there. Actually, no, right here. I got short at 39, so 389. All right. I did get them out at 39, so this broker is a little bit different than my broker, because it went up to 43 for me last evening. On this broker, it didn't quite reach that. It actually went to the point actually where I sold it. However, I took back half at 162.96. I got the half running, stop loss at my entry. I'd really like to get stopped out. I would, because that would mean things are kind of cooling off maybe, over in Ukraine. If this thing dumps back down again and takes out this low from Friday, 162.79, we're going to go to 162.40. Main point, important point on the day. As it stands right now, it's got to get above 163, like say 45, 163.50. Actually, I should put my stop there. I think I'm going to move my stop because I got money in it. I'm going to do that. I'm going to move my stop to 163.55. It's got to get above that price in order to show any type of strength. But then it's got resistance all in here, 164.19, 163.90. So here's the point for today. If we can't get above this point, we're drifting lower to 162.40. Actually, first level be 162.80 and then 162.40. All right, that's what I got going on for you guys today. If you like what you see, please like and subscribe. Don't forget to ring the bell. Don't forget to head over to Park Avenue Trading and get yourself a free ebook. There's a lot of good stuff in that ebook. It's not like anything you've ever seen before. It's not nonsense. It's like a checklist. It's really cool. Please share my videos far and wide. I want to build a huge trading community. I can't do it without you. Leave me some comments. Tell me what you think. All right, so I'll see you in tomorrow's update. Remember, always trade with your head, not over it. All right, and follow your trading plan. And as a short-term trader, enjoy the party, but dance near the door. Cheers.